I'm Justin Glebermina from N24B. Today, I'm going to discuss testing carbohydrates using furfural formation. Carbohydrates like sugars are essential to life, and scientists have developed simple chemical tests to identify them. One of the most effective ways to detect sugars is by checking their ability to form furfural or its derivatives when treated with strong acids. This method helps distinguish between different types of sugars based on how they react. Imagine heating sugar in a pan. Eventually, it turns brown and smells like caramel. A similar process happens in this test, but in a more controlled way. When carbohydrates are treated with strong acids, they lose water and transform into compound called furfural or hydroxylfurfural. These furfurals then react with special chemicals to produce distinct colors, making it easy to identify different sugars. Molly's test, a universal carbohydrate test. Few drops of naphtol are mixed with the sugar solution, and then sulfuric acid is added carefully. If carbohydrates are present, a purple ring forms at the boundary between the two liquids. Confirms that carbohydrates are present in the sample. Detecting pentose sugars. The sugar solution is mixed with orsinol and hydrochloric acid, then gently heated. If the sugar is a pentose like ribose or cyclose, the solution turns bluish green. It helps differentiate 5-carbon sugars, pentose, from other sugars. Link ketose and aldoses apart. The sugar solution is mixed with resorcinol and hydrochloric acid, then heated. If the sugar is a ketose like fructose, it quickly turns cherry red. Aldoses like glucose react much more slowly. It distinguishes keto sugars from aldo sugars based on how fast the color appears. This test helps scientists, doctors, and food chemists analyze sugars in everything from blood sample for diagnosing diabetes to fruit juices and syrups for quality control. The beauty of this test is that they provide quick visual confirmation of different types of carbohydrates.